your girl Jaea, and I'm back at it again. Today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I got this foyer corner wall backdrop together. Let's get into it. For starters, I just went to Dollar General and I grabbed these bad boys. I only grabbed 2, and I'm just praying that it's enough. I did get the one that is a 90 square foot. Okay, and I'm telling y'all because I looked around for some YouTube videos or something that's gonna tell me, like, how much to get. Like, I don't know. Okay, but I got 2. Okay, and I think it's gonna work because I still got some. This is for the wall, and I'm using the other one for the floor. I'm not doing a lot because I only have like from here to here, because my window's right here and then my outlet's right there, and I'm not trying to block it because I need that one because everything is plugged up in my other outlets except the one that's all the way across my room. Okay, so yeah, I got this one. Okay, it's just regular stuff, you know, get it from almost anywhere. Okay, but I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put this up. I was at first cutting it, but bro, like, for real, it's not needed. Okay, and then for the bottom, I'm just kind of taping it. Like, I'm wrapping my tape up, and then I'm just kind of putting it in the back like that, so it's thick. Okay, so I think that's all I'm gonna do for that wall. Now I'm gonna go on to this wall, grab some tape before I even stand up. Okay, and I'm pretty short, so I'll just go up to my tippy toes. I did not put that on right. Yeah, I just go up to my tippy toes. And that right there should be, honestly, probably, like, it's for sure more than 5, because I'm 5 foot, so. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do one more. Yeah, it's so late at night. I still didn't do my makeup. So it seems like I might be alright with just the one roll, but it's okay. Whatever. I'll just give the other ones to my family because y'all know it's Thanksgiving week, baby. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna put this at the bottom, like the very bottom. And then I'm just gonna like connect it. And I'll just pull.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since you're pretty, when she came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for my store. Married to the money, introduced her to my store. Showed her how to whip, and now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the trend, we be counting up, watch how far them bands go. We just set it go, talking like some Lambos. 56 a gram, mama, 100 grams, though. Man, I swear I love her, how she with the Lambo. Hit the strip club, we be letting the bands go. Everybody hate her, we just call them fans, though. And I'm with the money, I ain't never let go. And I get high with my baby. I just love them all, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I be in the kitchen, cooking pies with my baby, yeah. And I get robbed with my baby. I just love them all, I'm getting fly.
Okay, so now that I have taped it to the ground, now I'm just gonna tape the ones that are already on the wall, so it looks a little bit more together.
just wanna chill by the sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remix it for low. She my track queen, let her hit the band. We be counting up, look up all the plans. We just set it down, talking about just Lambos. If this is a grand, I'm 100 grand though. Man, I swear I love her, how she work the game for. Get the strength up, when you let it last go. Everybody hate on me, just call it last go. In love with the money.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next YouTube video. And I'm out.